अब हम बात करेंगे डाइल्यूशन के दूसरे तरीकाकार की। दैट मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज सीरियल डाइल्यूशन। मुझे उम्मीद है पहले आप जानते होंगे पैरेलल डाइल्यूशन मेथड के हवाले से। सीरियल डाइल्यूशन मेथड is a method in which we dilute a stock to prepare a dilution, and then we use that dilution to prepare next dilution and so on. Serial dilution method यूज करने के लिए हमें दो मौके पे डिसाइड करना होता है. In case if we have to prepare many dilutions using the same stock with similar dilution factor, or if we have to prepare a dilution which is having very high dilution factor, and after the application of parallel dilution method, the volume which we need from the stock solution cannot be measured from the available devices, available pipettes. इस तरीक़ेकार में सबसे अहम चीज़ जो है वो डाइल्यूशन फैक्टर मालूम करना है. किसी भी स्टॉक से डाइल्यूशन बनाने के लिए जब आपको डाइल्यूशन फैक्टर मालूम करना है, उसके लिए आप सिंपली ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. डाइल्यूशन फैक्टर कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय डिवाइडिंग द स्टॉक कंसंट्रेशन with the dilution concentration. If you have a stock solution of 2 molar concentration and you want to prepare a dilution of 0.2 molar concentration, its dilution factor will be 10 times. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ का ख्याल रखना ज़रूरी है कि स्टॉक सोल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन के यूनिट्स और डाइल्यूटेड सोल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन के यूनिट्स एक जैसे होने चाहिए. जैसे कि इस मिसाल में दोनों यूनिट्स मोलर यूनिट्स हैं. In this example, we have a stock solution of KMnO4, potassium permanganate, and the concentration of stock solution is 2 molar. We are supposed to prepare dilutions of 0.2 molar solution, 20 millimolar, 2 millimolar, and 0.2 millimolar solutions. If you can see that the concentration of the diluted solutions and you can find out the dilution factor, all these dilutions are diluted by the same factor, which is 10. While working in the biotechnology lab, you need to find out and you need to decide which dilution method is applicable at what time. In case if you have to work with serial dilution method, you can use this formula. V1 plus V2 divided by V1 is equal to dilution factor. In this formula, V1 will be the volume which you need from stock solution, and V2 is the volume of the diluted solution which you normally decide yourself or which is given in the question. Dilution factor, as I told you earlier, you can calculate by dividing the solute. Dilution factor can be calculated by dividing the stock concentration with the dilution concentration, required dilution concentration. V2 is the volume of the diluted solution. V1 will be the volume which you need from the stock solution. And here is the example. You can calculate the required volume from a stock solution of 2 molar KMnO4 to prepare 15 milliliter diluted solution. In this case, after the calculation, to make 15 milliliter of diluted solution, you need 1.67 milliliter from the stock of 2 molar, and subsequently the same volume will be used for preparation of all dilutions. इस dilution series को बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले 15 ml सॉल्वेंट आपको टेस्ट ट्यूब में लेना है और उसके बाद 1.67 मिलीलीटर स्टॉक लेना है फ्रॉम concentrated solution. This slide shows you A, B, C, D, E, F and G. A refers to the stock solution, B refers to the 15 milliliter of solvent, C is the calculated V1 from the concentrated stock. From the concentrated stock, D, E, F and G are again the calculated volumes V1 from respective stocks to prepare the next dilutions.